Welcome to the Investing Journey channel. Today we're going to take a deep dive into SCHD. If that's something that interests you, stick around. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD, is an ETF if you love dividends and want diversity in safe, quality stocks. This is for you. It has a 0.06% fee, which is higher than some other low-cost index funds, but still reasonable and still much lower than actively managed funds. This fund's inception was in 2011, so there's not a ton of data, but enough to show it performs well. Manages over $33 billion in assets, which means you don't have to worry about liquidity when you need to sell in the future, and there are a lot of people and money invested in this. The dividend is paid quarterly, and the dividend yield as of this video is 2.89%, which is pretty decent because you don't want too high of a yield because then you're dealing with risky stocks. SCHD tracks a market cap weighted index. It's made up of 100 dividend-paying U.S. equities. In my opinion, SCHD's diversified holdings, outstanding dividend growth track record, and comparatively strong performance makes this fund a strong buy. SCHD is particularly appropriate for long-term dividend growth investors, which should see strong growing dividends in the coming years. Now we're going to take a look at the top 10 holdings in the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. The top 10 holdings make up about 40% of its total assets. We have on the top Merck & Co., that's at 4.24%. Then we have Home Depot, 4.19%. Texas Instruments, Broadcom, Amgen, PepsiCo, BlackRock, Pfizer. You'll recognize a lot of these stocks, I'm sure. And then we also have Cisco Systems at 3.96%. And Verizon. Now it's weighted by sectors. The basic material sector has 2.13%. Consumer cyclical has 8.36%. Financial services makes up the majority of it at 21.69%. Real estate has none, you'll notice. Consumer defensive, 14%. Healthcare, 12%. Utilities, communications has 4.96%. Energy, industrial, technology makes up 18.05%, which is another big chunk. You'll notice again that it has 0 in utilities and 0 in real estate. Over here, we're looking at the chart over time. Notice how it has gone steadily up with some downtime. And this is from 2011 all the way up to 2022. Now we're going to take a look at the daily, weekly, monthly charts. On the weekly, we have up 0.39%. On the monthly, we're down 2.91%. On the past 3 months, we're down 2%. Past year, we're up 8.3%. And past 5 years, we're up 69.84%, almost 70%. As you can see, the SCHD, along with the market, has gone down in recent months, but overall, it has performed fairly well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this channel. I would really appreciate it for the YouTube algorithms. I'm trying to build the channel. This is my 4th video so far. Thanks.